Hey, I'm Paul the Plumber, and I want to tell you about my favorite ride in the whole world, the Kraken. When I'm under your sink, that's right, I got my own Kraken ride. That's right, lots of fun. This is the worm that ate the baker that lives under my bed. I promise you, it's true.
It's very big, it goes under my feet.
Under your feet, the Kraken does.
And it is scary.
Scary.
It hurts my chest.
Oh, look, we got Kraken eggs. Nothing worse than Kraken eggs.
And eels inside of it.
That's right.
The eels are Kraken.
The eels are Kraken. Where are the eels?
The eels are in there. There are eels in there.
The Kraken eggs. A little scary, I do say so myself.